In this video, you will see an example of material substitution in Granta Selector. This valve is made from a cast stainless steel. Increased pressure has changed the service conditions, and is causing failures. You must quickly find a replacement material with higher strength that can be made using the same processes. First, search for the original material in Material Universe, and open the datasheet. Find Similar creates a ranked list of similar materials. The nearness is calculated from the values of key properties. To return to the project and add specific requirements, click Selection Project. The original material has been set as the reference, and the results are ranked by nearness. In a limit stage, filter for materials with high strength. Specify a minimum yield strength 25% higher than the reference, whose properties are listed for use as a baseline. Select the first two results and add them to a comparison table to look for differences. The nearest material, AISI 410, is unsuitable for casting. We can add this constraint to the project. Clear the table, and create another limit stage for the processing properties. We want materials that can be cast. Set the metal casting property to be acceptable or excellent. Now compare the first two results in detail. Both are cheaper than the original material, because of their lower nickel content. Both also have higher strength than the reference, but lower elongation. One difference is that Ca15 is susceptible to stress corrosion cracking, which could be an issue in service. The more suitable replacement is Ca40.